Namaste. Welcome to my channel, Curious Smiling Pigeon. My name is Keerti. I live in Silicon Valley, California. I'm originally from Delhi, India. I moved here 10 years ago. In July 2017, I had my daughter, Millie. And after that, I went into postpartum depression, though I did not go to therapy or took any medicines. But it was a very difficult time for me, and I overcame it by changing my lifestyle, changing the food I eat, fitness, my way of thinking. So my laptop is sitting over there and Millie is jumping around it, so that's scary. So anyway, coming back, so I changed my lifestyle totally, and it has been quarter to 3 years now, 2 years, 9 months. I wanted to share all the changes I made because I was getting a lot of requests on this, and I thought what better way to do it than through a channel. So here I am on my channel, Curious Smiling Pigeon. Why is it called that? I will share in another video. So on this channel, I will be sharing all things motherhood, postpartum, nutrition, fitness, self-love, self-care, remaining positive and motivated. With all that is going on in the world right now, I actually debated if I should do this right now or not. I was planning to start this a couple of weeks ago because I didn't know what to do. And then I thought I should just follow what I believe in, that we should stay in the present and we should always live life to the fullest, grab life by its horns. In this difficult time, it is my humble request, please stay at home. All the doctors, the nurses, the people working in the pharmacy, the banks, the grocery stores, they are putting themselves out there for us. All we have to do is stay at home. So please stay at home. We will overcome this. Full of videos every week. And I appreciate if you're watching this. Thank you for your time. Towards the end of this video, I will be sharing a poem on how petty I was. Millie bit into these 2 apples and I saved them in the fridge, and now I'm cutting them. So I'm making mixed veg right now. I'm taking some cauliflower, 3 big potatoes, 3 carrots, and a handful of beans. I'm cutting all the vegetables in bite-sized pieces. Heat a pan, and once it is heated through, put some oil in it. Now we'll put some spices in it, some fresh garlic ginger paste which I made at home, some red chili powder, cumin seeds, saunf, turmeric, coriander powder, and some garam masala. Saute the ginger garlic paste for 30 seconds to a minute till it is fragrant. Put the cumin seeds and the remainder of the spices. Keep stirring the spices, and after that you can put some water so that they don't get burnt. Put the potatoes first so that they can cook for the longest time, and cover it with a lid. Now put the cauliflower, stir it well, put some water so that the vegetables don't get burned, add the chopped green beans, add some salt for your taste, add carrots in the end, put some salt again. I usually put salt in layers, that means as I add the vegetables I put salt accordingly. Stir it well and cover it with a lid. Let the vegetables cook for some time, and the water that comes on the lid, put it back in the pan. This helps the vegetables to steam and cook with less oil. If you find that the vegetables are sticking, add some water. Put some freshly chopped coriander leaves and squeeze some lemon juice. And the vegetable is ready. You can keep it covered for some time so that it gets cooked with the steam. Coming to my exercise routine, I work out 6 days a week. I do walks and resistance, and I've been doing that for the past 2 years and 9 months. I also do yoga. All the things that bothered me before, what someone said, what someone didn't, how much I weighed, my clothes weren't fitting me, my skin tone, the blotches on my face, why someone didn't reply back, why did they say it in that tone, why do they live so far away, why do they live so near? Why didn't they comment on my post when they viewed it? Why does somebody else's post has 1,000 likes and mine doesn't? Why didn't they give me a raise? Why wasn't I appreciated? All that time frittered away, thinking I have plenty of it. all the food I wasted unintentionally, thinking there will never be any shortage. All the junk I fed myself, thinking I'll have enough time to mend this body. Nothing matters anymore. Everything fades away. It's only now I realize that the only thing that matters is to love everyone around me fiercely, to accept and not desire any changes in anyone. It's only now I realize that the everyday things that bothered me were actually blessings, because that meant all was normal. They are the very things that should evoke gratitude. Dear universe, please restore everything like it was before. I pray with folded hands. Let me wake up from this nightmare that seems to be unending. I promise to let go of small things and big things. I promise to not fret or fume. I promise to accept everyone just as they are. I'll see you in a couple of days. Till then, stay indoors, stay calm, stay patient.